Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the 5-2 diet, and this is the website that I found on it. It wasn't like the specific website, but it gave enough information on the background of it and the benefits that came from it and what it does. So I just made a presentation on it. Alright, so the 5-2 diet. Some background information: it was popularized by British journalist Michael Mosley. It is also known as the fast diet. It is one of the most popular intermittent fasting diet. And what is intermittent fasting? It is an eating pattern that involves regular fasting. Okay, so what is the 5-2 diet? It's called 5-2 because five days out of the week consists of normal eating days, so whatever you want, and then 2 days out of the week are you're restricting your calories to 500 to 600 calories per day. This diet says there are no requirements about which foods to eat, but rather when you should eat them. Okay, again, it's 500 calories for women and 600 calories for men on the 2 fasting days. You can choose whichever 2 days out of the week to fast, but they recommend to have at least one non-fasting day in between them. A lot of people choose Mondays and Thursdays, and on the fasting days, you should eat 3 small meals or 2 slightly bigger meals, and it has to consist of high fiber and high protein. Alright, so the 5-2 so-called benefits include weight loss, reduced insulin resistance, decreased inflammation, improve blood lipids, reduce belly fat, and maintain muscle mass during weight loss. At the bottom of the website, they did include people who are at risk. Okay, so people who are at risk are your individuals with eating disorders, individuals who often experience drops in blood sugar levels, pregnant women, nursing mothers, teenagers, children, and individuals with type 1 diabetes, people who are malnourished, underweight, or have known nutrient deficiencies, and women who are trying to conceive or have fertility issues. And these are the red flags that I saw on the website itself. I just copied and pasted them for y'all. So it says, though it may be linked to several health benefits, fasting diets may not be suitable for everyone. There are very few studies on the 5-2 diet, and this statement right here is talking about intermittent fasting. It's not talking about the 5-2 diet specifically. It's talking about fasting protocols similar to the 5-2 diet. So it says, intermittent fasting is even more effective when combined with exercise, such as endurance or strength training, which is not true, because if you try to do endurance training during an intermittent fasting day, you will feel so fatigued and weak and you have no energy, and that will just lead you to so many dangerous symptoms like fainting and more. So I don't believe that. Another red flag is normal to feel a little weaker or slower than usual, and then episodes of overwhelming hunger. Good idea to keep a small snack handy during your first few fasts, just in case you feel faint or ill. And then some women have reported that their menstrual periods stopped while they were following this type of eating pattern. However, things went back to normal when they returned to a regular diet. And then I just put things they don't tell you. So I put, restricting foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies if your body doesn't get all the essential vitamins that it needs. Fasting can leave you with less energy, which can affect your ability to do daily activities. There is no evidence-based research. This diet is not sustainable because usually you'll see weight rebound because extreme dieting triggers leads to overeating and causes mood swings. Endurance training during fasting days is not safe. and it does not address the underlying eating habits that cause the actual weight gain. And then I just put what you should do. So eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full, trust your appetite, feed your body, not your emotions, be active, and respect yourself.